Hey guys, welcome to weekly vlog number 52, the last vlog of the year 2019.
Yes.
Whoa, the lights just turned brighter. So we just got out of Starbucks, and as you can see, it is nighttime because we are actually on our way to the airport to pick up my dad. We haven't seen him in 2 weeks, so we're definitely excited to have him. It's the day after Christmas, and we've actually been preparing him some food to come to, and yeah, he just called us that he is there at the airport, so we're gonna go pick him up.
And we forgot a straw for him.
A straw? No, I have it.
Never mind. I'm excited to see him close and personal. He keeps FaceTiming us on my mom's phone, but it's not the same talking to him in person.
Yeah. He's your best friend, huh? Are you excited to see my dad?
Yes.
Quítate de niño.
What, Matthew?
Quítate de tío.
Hi!
Hola. Dale que te van a regañar. Hola, mi chupito. ¿Cómo está mi chiquitito? Te extrañé mucho.
Hey, your coffee.
Hey, Katy.
Hi, Dad.
Love you.
You look so
Love you,
skinny.
Hey, ¿cómo estamos?
Oh my
Mucho,
God.
Taki. And that's mine?
Yep.
Thank you, Taki.
You might have to mix it.
Thank you, Katy.
You're welcome. Excuse me, mother.
Love you, mi viejita
Oh.
preciosa. María, mi linda, mi preciosura. Oh my God.
Why'd you point at me?
Mi camita. Ay, qué bonito. Me han estado hartando los zancudos. Ayer andaba un scorpion in my bag.
We have a butcher.
What's your job?
Opening it.
I am taking care of the food.
Is it the most important job?
Yes.
Obviously
no
it is,
one
'cause that
wants
way
cold
you would-
food. Didn't you just show me this message?
No, look what I found in chicken sponsors. A big giant one.
That's disgusting.
Move.
Mire que esta vez las pollos. Esa. Grandote.
No dan tan cochino. ¿Qué bayunco que son?
Refill the rat's water. Look what I found.
The rat's water.
A big rat.
Why you don't throw it away?
It's a beautiful rainy day.
Oh yeah, it is a beautiful rainy day.
Yeah, it's not raining, but it's been raining.
Just noticed.
When we were parking, I saw someone pass by with some tea, and I think we found the place. Look how good those look. I got a matcha with some bubble, and then you got a
Coffee milk tea.
coffee milk tea. I hope they're good. Oh my God, hello! Today is the last day of 2019. This is so crazy. So it feels so weird to talk to this camera right now because for the last 3 days I have been doing absolutely nothing. I've just been in bed soaking in these last few days off that I have, and it's been feeling great. I've been waiting for my hair to finish drying off from washing it last night, and I am about to film. As you can see, I have my eyebrows done already, just to save some time, but I think my hair is fully dry now. Really want to get this video edited and up for you guys. I might just edit it after I get back from my mom's house because we're making tamales today. I think they have already started, which I feel really bad, and I'm not even there because I was the one with the idea. But she said it was cool that my aunt and her have it down, and I don't even know why I would go, you know, because I don't know how to make tamales. Oh my god, you guys, what have you guys been up to? What did you do for New Year's? Because obviously you're watching this after the New Year. I'm just gonna curl my hair on camera for you guys.
Let's set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation.
And I'm done filming. This is the finished look. Hopefully I can get this video up for you guys soon. I think George should be home really soon as well because I think he's getting out at 3 today. I'm starving. It's been literal hours later because it wouldn't be me trying to film a video if something didn't go wrong. So lots of things went wrong before I could even start recording. Anyway, I'm glad it's done, and I'm giving myself an hour to edit this because George is gonna be home at 3. We're probably gonna be leaving the house at 3:30, and then I can finally eat.
I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. In loving before anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation. Now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me.
Kaido. Hi, Peanut. Happy New Year's Eve. Say Happy New Year's Eve. So we're here with the doggies. He actually already had a bath for tonight, and Kaido's getting one. I just gave Peanut one of his new toys, and he is loving it. Kaido is obsessed with footballs or soccer balls, but very like medium sized. He doesn't like big toys. He doesn't like tiny toys. He hates squeaky toys, unlike Peanut. Peanut loves squeaky toys, as you can see. If I were to try to take this away from him right now, he would have a fit. Can I have it? Can I have it? Oh, are you letting me have it? What's that? What's that? Yeah, like I said, Kaido is getting a bath right now, and he has to get dry in order for him to come out here. Peanut's been dry for like 30 minutes already. He's easier, but Kaido has really thick fur, so it takes him a while longer. We got home around 7:30, maybe 8 o'clock, and we fed them already. We gave them water. We took them out for a walk. We actually went to Starbucks, and I'm glad we did because I just wanted a Frappuccino. I've been all about the Frappuccinos lately. So we actually brought them to the apartment because they hate fireworks and they get so stressed out. So every 4th of July and New Year's Eve, you will find us at home with Kaido and Peanut. They're extremely terrified. They can never just settle down, and I'm glad the apartments that we're at, if you go outside right now, you can totally hear all the fireworks going off. But inside of our apartment, it sounds so peaceful. Like, the walls are really thick, I feel like, and it's really nice and cozy inside of the house. So yeah, we're planning to stay up as long as the fireworks go off for. After Vlogmas, we actually started watching Star Wars, and we are on the 4th one? No, 3rd. We're on the 3rd movie, and then we're gonna get started on Mandalorian. I've heard that's really good. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where's your brother? Where's your brother? Is he taking a shower? Where's brother? You're so silly, Peanut Head. Say we've already had so many snacks. All right, so everyone's watching you, Peanut. Don't be bad. You're not allowed on the couch.
Let me get my laptop. Oh my god.
Kyle.
Babe, I don't know what's wrong.
Yeah.
I don't know. It hurts right here.
Why?
I don't know.
Adentro?
I can't walk.
Why?
I don't know.
You go to the restroom?
It's like I feel numb. Oh my god. It just happened right now.
Can you sit?
Oh my god.
No?
It feels numb.
All right, you guys, so I'm actually editing this vlog that you're watching, and I just wanted to come on here to kind of clarify what happens in this vlog. I go from having excruciating pain to sitting down on the couch to edit. While I'm sitting on the couch, I'm still hurting really bad, but I just thought it was something that was gonna pass any moment. So I was just sitting there waiting for the pain to pass, and it never did. Even when we're going outside to watch some fireworks, you can still hear me in the back of the video.
Service.
Thank you, Matthew. In the back of the video when we're going to go see the fireworks, me saying ow, ouch, because every time I would walk it would hurt so bad. So that's what happened there. And then the Kaido bit was just so cute to not leave it in there because he's kind of wondering where the music went, and I thought it was so cute. I'm still not feeling 100%, but I feel a whole lot better than I did on New Year's Eve. So yeah, I hope that clarified it a little bit, and enjoy the rest of the vlog.
It's almost a Happy New Year. It's almost there. It's Happy New Year. Happy 2020. I can see clearly now. It's 2020.
Oh my god, I can't believe it's 2020!
Yeah?
It's a new decade!
What?
You hear the fireworks? We should go outside.
We're watching Star Wars, by the way, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at all them fireworks.
I'm sorry that I look like this to end the vlog, but I wanted to hop on here and thank all of our vlog fam for such an amazing year and for watching us every single week. We truly appreciate you, and we'll see you in 2020. Bye.